Okay, so what I have here is the Mijia Electric Screwdriver. As you can see, it comes with all the bits and so on. The model number is, I'm not sure whether you can see that. Yeah, that's the one. It's MUDDL-S003QW. Okay, and this is what it comes with. Okay, so I kind of actually opened up the box earlier, but I just want to go through the process of an unboxing. So you'll have the USB-C cable, because this is charged by USB-C, and the user manual and the device itself. Okay. The nice thing about this is that as compared to, of course, this will be compared to the Wowstick, but the nice thing about this, I prefer this to the Wowstick, is because it comes with a case by itself, so you can actually, keep it in the case, as opposed to Wowstick where you have to get a separate case and so on. So that's how it goes to it. Slide in that way, and it has this nice lock, right? If you want to remove it, press it, and then it will just slide off. Yeah, that's nice. Build quality wise for the case is really good. Okay. Now the screwdriver itself, this is the USB-C charging port. Okay. This is the torque control, I believe, or the speed. Okay, you can see, you can hear. It's pretty silent. Okay. If I switch to the other side, I think that's the torque control. Let's take a screwdriver out. And by the way, this is magnetic, so it doesn't drop off. As you can see, it doesn't drop off. That's the cool part of it. Okay, so screw it in. So that is speed 2, I think. I think this is the top control. So this is off, in off position, right? You can reverse, back. So all in all, feels good. I'll review it further once I have the chance to actually use it. That's it.